You're preparing to bring your Jaguar or Land Rover in for service, which can seem like a daunting task. But here at Jaguar Land Rover Gwinnett, our customer-centric approach is put in place to make sure that you have a great customer experience from start to finish. Let me take you through that process. When you're bringing your vehicle in for service, you're simply going to pull into our service drive where you will then be greeted and directed to your service advisor. Once you're directed to your service advisor, you will go over the planned maintenance for your vehicle for that day, as well as address any issues or concerns that you may have about your vehicle's performance or maintenance issues. Once you have met with your service advisor, we invite you to take advantage of the amenities that we have here in our customer lounge. You can enjoy TV as well as Wi-Fi and a plethora of different snack and drink options such as sodas, coffee, water, and tea. If you are looking for the restrooms during your visit here with us, you will find them conveniently located off the back of our service area. If you are looking for parts for your Jaguar or Land Rover, you will find the parts department here at Hennessy Jaguar Land Rover Gwinnett directly off the back of our service department. Simply follow this hallway down and take a right and you will see the parts counter. If you are unable to drop off your vehicle during normal service hours, we do offer a convenient night drop option. Simply pull this down, you will pull out one of these forms, fill it out, stick your keys inside, and then drop it in right here. When our service department gets in the morning, they will pull these that are conveniently secured inside and get your vehicle serviced. We have our hours conveniently posted on multiple doors throughout the exterior of the dealership. Here you will find open and close hours for sales, service, and parts. We are excited to service your Jaguar or Land Rover vehicle, and we cannot wait to welcome you to the Hennessy Jaguar Land Rover Gwinnett family.